Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on these Heavenly Organics. This one is their almond chocolate honey patties, okay? So I've done reviews of the ginger and pomegranate in the past, so we're going to do the almond one. So I'm kind of curious what it tastes like. And there's the ingredients. There's only like 3 ingredients in there. See, white honey, organic cocoa, and almond flavor. There's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause it. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so right off the bat, once I open this, it's very, very fragrant. I can smell the almonds from the here. So, and the package isn't even open yet. So let's open this now. There we go. That's what it looks like. Let's do a quick taste test. Whoops. All right. As you can see, it has the almonds sprinkled throughout there. Definitely check it out. It has a nice almond flavor. This one's probably one of my favorites. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.